Hey everybody, this is Wes Melcher. I'm coming to you from my villa in Peloponnesus, Greece. I just wanted to put another video out because there's been a few videos that have come in response to my last few videos about Wake Up Now. And it's been a little comical, I have to be honest, that it's gotten this much attention. Really the purpose of the videos was just to show what a poor product offering Wake Up Now had, and now we've had all these other people sending out personal attacks and putting out additional videos. And so what I wanted to do really quick is just elaborate on a couple of things. My last video, the myths about Wake Up Now, nobody actually confronted any of my points. All they did was say if you sponsored 12 people, then you actually would still make $600 because they have this holding tank that you can place people in. My point in that is that if you place those people in each individual lines, if one of them quits, then you're going to lose your $600 a month residual. And it's really not $600, it's $500 a month because they're giving you $100 towards your membership. So you're really not making $600, you're making $500. And so none of the other myths that I talked about in the videos were countered, and it's kind of funny that Ed Terranova put out a couple of videos, and I'm really curious as to who's watching Ed Terranova's videos. If you look at them, they haven't had that many views. And the reason is because Ed is not an expert on network marketing. I mean, when he was in World Ventures, he says he has 20,000 people on his team in World Ventures, but that's not true. He only had about 1,500 to 2,000 people that were brought into his organization. And because World Ventures is a binary, for those of you that understand compensation plans, he had spillover sales in excess of 18,000 people. The team that he addresses in his first video, Rob and Kim Campbell, they weren't sponsored by Ed or anybody in Ed's organization. They were brought in a spillover from somebody else above Ed, and none of those 18,000 sales would exist in Ed Terranova's downline and Wake Up Now because they're not a binary. So he wouldn't be getting any spillover. Here's the other thing. Ask Ed Terranova to show you how much he made in the last 2 years. Ask Ed Terranova to show you his house or to show you his cars. Look, I think Ed Terranova is a nice guy. He's just not a network marketing expert. He's not an industry expert. He's really not an expert on anything that has to do with MLM. So to see his videos talking about how he understands the industry is completely false, because I'm telling you, the guy's made no money. He doesn't have the lifestyle. He doesn't have the cars. That's why he left World Ventures, because he didn't have anything going on for him there. It was all spillover. It was all sales that had trickled down from above in his organization. And he didn't have any depth, and he didn't have any leaders. Ask him to talk about some of the leaders and lifestyles that he created in network marketing. I'd like to just see one person. Whereas I've given you plenty of examples of people that are making money just like I am in World Ventures. Now here's what's funny. Wake Up Now just came out with 3 new products, and they're selling coffee now, they're selling energy drinks now, and they're selling skincare. So literally they're just figuring out what they can throw against the wall and see what'll stick. As Troy Dooley said in his videos, they were an SAS company, a software as services company, but now they're a coffee company, an energy drink company, a skincare, cosmetic company. I mean, they have no identity. Wake Up Now doesn't even know what they're selling. They literally are just trying to throw stuff against the wall, stay in business as long as they can to try to get as many people duped as possible to purchase their membership. So what are they? Are they a software company? Are they a coffee company? Are they an energy drink company? Here's what else I know. I know the people that help put together their coffee and energy drink deals. Ask to see their facilities. Ask to see their bottling process. All they are is private label products, just like they were selling with their SAS program. They don't have anything unique. No scientists, no formulas, no unique ingredients. There's nothing unique at all about Wake Up Now and their 3 new products. They literally are just labeling something and calling it a Wake Up Now product. Now listen, if that's what you want to do, you want to represent a company that has nothing unique, and they have no identity, and they don't know the direction they're going, what kind of company are they? First they were a financial company, then they were a software as services company, now they're selling coffee and energy drinks? I mean, come on. This should show you a company with an identity crisis that's just trying to get people duped. Now, I want to wrap this up with this. I'm sitting here in Greece, And I'm part of the largest travel club in the world, World Ventures. And the reason why we have a unique product is because we're an experience company. We put together these unique, one-of-a-kind experiences at amazing destinations all over the world. I've already shown you my lifestyle. You know how much money I'm making. I've shown you my houses, my cars. I've talked to you about those things. But I'm showing you now, this is real. This is my life. I travel around the world. I've literally been on over 100 free vacations over the last 8 years. Show me the lifestyle. Show me what your company is about. Show me what the motto is and what you're trying to accomplish for people. I'm telling you this. We're creating one-of-a-kind, unique experiences for people. We're picking you up at the airport with a sign. We're checking you in before you even get to your hotel. We've got a welcome party, cocktail reception. We've got experiences while you're there. We've got discounts on excursions. And all of this is less than what you could buy it for from Travelocity, Expedia, Orbitz, or Hotwire, or anybody else. We're putting together a lifestyle company, not to mention all of our other benefits. With our concierge service that's available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. All of our other lifestyle and entertainment discounts that are available to our members. This is a unique program. It doesn't exist anywhere else. These trips don't exist anywhere else. We're putting together the trips for you and creating memories of a lifetime. And Wake Up Now is an absolute joke. Who knows what they're going to be selling next? You need to get on board with a company that has a real product, a real identity, and knows where they're going. The next time you see me, who knows where I'll be. Maybe I'll be in Greece again. Maybe I'll be in the Caribbean. Maybe I'll be back at my ranch in Texas. Maybe I'll be at my condo in Nashville. Who knows where I'll be, but stay tuned because I'm going to stay on top of these guys until somebody shuts them down.